I've been trading professionally for the past 15 years, and I know that to be a profitable trader, you actually need a broker with very good market conditions to trade with. That is why in this video, I'm going to give you my 4 best brokers in Africa and why I think FBS market is my preferred choice. Like the video and subscribe before we continue. The best 4 brokers on the African continent are FBS Market, Exness, Hot Forex, and Hantech Market. However, I will pick FBS Market over all the other 3. Why? So all the 4 brokers are well regulated. They either have FCA, which is Financial Conduct Authority, SISEC, Mauritius Securities and Exchange Commission, etc. Now, all the brokers also have been in existence for many years. For example, FBS is over 23 years, Hantech is over 30 years, etc. FBS and Exness offer better spread than Hantech and Hot Forex. But FBS is better because the standard account has a spread of up to 0.5 pip. You can also have an ECN account with up to no spread with a very small commission. Now let's look at verification. With all the other brokers, you will need a bank statement or utility bill for address verification, which has been a major problem for most traders, as most traders in Africa prefer to use mobile money and crypto a lot. Now with FBS, all you need is your ID card, your email, your phone number, and once you provide this information, you can even be verified under 5 minutes. Amazing, right? Swap fee. Swap fee is basically the fee charged by brokers for leaving your trade overnight. With the other 3 brokers, you need to apply as a Muslim to have access to a swap free account after verification. But with FBS, by default, to enjoy swap free on all accounts, 24-hour support. So with FBS, you can have access to an online agent any time of the day and night with FBS. Deposit. You can fund your account with mobile money as a form of deposit option, just like Hot Forex and Exness, but I'm yet to see that with Hantech. In conclusion, I think Exness and FBS are the favorite brokers, but the main reason why I would choose FBS over Exness is the trading condition during news. And secondly, with FBS Market, you don't need statement as a form of address verification. Also, by default, FBS provides a free account for all account type, but you need to apply when it comes to the other brokers. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and smash the like button. Happy trading.